Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from Down4SoundShop.com, and in this video we are releasing another amplifier, the JP13. But first, alright guys, I listen to you. You tell me, you give me this constructive criticism, and I take it in, process it, and try to come up with a solution for you. So why did we come out with the JP13? Well, the reason why is because I'm going to be unboxing this while I'm talking to you about the story of why we did this amp. Super cool box, by the way. So we're going to go ahead and be taking this out. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Jacob Scott, man, he'd be putting all kind of hieroglyphics on these boxes. Sometimes I don't even know what he's doing. Anyway, so the reason for the JP13 that you see in front of us here that we're going to be talking about is, people said, you got the JP8, you got the JP23. One's not enough power, the other one's too much power. I need something right in the middle. Say no more, we got you. So today we're unveiling, right now, look, unveiling the JP13. So the JP13 right now in black is right in front of us. This is going to put us a perfect amplifier that's going to be in between the JP8 and the 23 version 1.5. So this amplifier, we'll give you the ratings on it first, but it's also going to be, the power should be right in between those two amplifiers. So got the JP13 manual here. So at the top, do you know how we do our ratings? Yeah, we're always going to be giving you more power than we're rating it, but the ratings for it is going to be 1300 watts RMS into 1 ohm at 14.4, and then at 2 ohm it says 1000 watts at 14.4, so really close there. And then 4 ohm is going to be 700 by 1. Frequency response is 12 hertz to 270 hertz, so great subwoofer amplifier, or low end mid bass. You got low pass filter, 35 hertz to 250 hertz. All right, let's get into the amplifier now we got that out of the way. Also on price point, so this amplifier, or the JP8 is, or JP8 version 1.5 is 199 bucks, and the JP23 version 1.5 is $299. Can you guess where this amplifier is going to come at price wise? Yes, $249, right in the middle. So we're going to give you a middle power of those two amps and middle price point in between those two. So let's go ahead and get the measurements out of the way for the amplifier. String it out on the width here. Looks like we got right at 13 inches on the width. Then on the depth, I'm going to go 7.5 because that's what the last one was. Yep, 7.5 deep. And then it's like 2.5 on the height. Nice satin black finish. And our amp case, you know, we do so many things with this design right here. We got batteries in it, got all kinds of stuff. We got the laser etching for the Down4Sound logo and the JP13 model number right there. On this side, we got the crossover network, Tiffany style RCA connections. We got the JP13 model number right here. Status indicator lights. We got power, protect, and clip. Gain, subsonic, bass boost. We got the remote plug-in right here. Low pass filter, and yes, it's a master and slave situation going over here. So you can strap these amplifiers as well. I mean, if you can strap the JP3 CPT, why would you not be able to strap the JP13? Went ahead and went with, they said 4 gauge would be enough on these. I'm like, no bro, we gotta go with some 0 gauge. So 0 gauge on the inputs here, 8 gauge going to the speaker wire, and of course on the back side we got the thick plexi. Got a high flow fan right here. I'm looking for the love note in here. Oh, there's some sort of coordinates in there, but it's under that piece of wire, so it's hard to see. We may have to try to get a B-roll shot through there, but it's very difficult to see. But I think it's the same. Let's see. I don't know, guys. Your guess is as good as mine. It's like some coordinates, so I wonder where it's going to pop up at. Maybe like Chick-fil-A or something. Alright. Anyway, went over everything with the amp, and with this amplifier, you got the wired bass knob, in the new design, the metal case that matches this amplifier. Check it out. How beautiful is that? So this bass knob is going to give you all the features that ours always does, even the smallest amps. You got your voltage, you got your temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, status indicator lights, power protect clip, and temperature. And you can adjust the voltage on the back right here. We also have a set of Allen's keys that comes with it. Like Big D Wiz always says, yes, he's going to have one of these amplifiers too. They're headed his way. So you'll be able to see the real world numbers from him, third-party testing, because we don't want to, obviously we can say, oh, this amp puts out whatever power, but people can fake numbers. He has a great reputation, so he's going to give you the real. So anyway, be on the lookout for that. And if you want to grab one of these, check out the description below, and you'll see a link directly to this amplifier. $249. I think you'll love it, and it'll do great for a 1300 watts RMS needed application. All right, guys, if you need anything, hit us up, down4soundshop.com, or give us a call, 702-701-9800, and we will see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.